Ever wondered what happens when your consciousness gets transferred into another person as body? And if this concept has piqued your curiosity, then Netflix's film, It's What's Inside, directed by Travis Caldwel, is just what you need. And this mind-bending movie explores questions of identity and self as four teenagers navigate their way through this uncharted territory after participating in an experiment gone wrong at a party, tricked out as a high-tech retreat center called Purification Quest. So grab some popcorn, settle into your favorite spot on the couch, and join us as we delve into this thrilling movie. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our analysis. We put lots of love into every piece of content we create here at Channel Name. So your support means everything. It's What's Inside, four friends, Dennis, Shelby, Ruben, and Nikki Ogiamamet attend Purification Quest together, hoping for some relaxation and bonding time away from their daily lives, only to find themselves involuntarily swapping bodies due to faulty technology designed by eccentric inventor Forbes, Sylvester Stallone. Throughout this wild ride filled with humor, confusion, excitement, and drama, each character grapples with questions about who they truly are deep down inside, while also discovering new aspects of themselves through their temporary host's experiences, leading them down unexpected paths filled with twists, turns along the way. One by one, Dennis finds himself trapped within Shelby. Shelby is stuck inside Ruben. Ruben inhabits Nikki, and poor Nikki gets stuck living life as Dennis. As they struggle, adjust life upside down, world where nothing makes sense anymore, these four friends must work together, figure out how reverse effects before permanent damage done, both physically and emotionally. Meanwhile, Forbes works tirelessly behind scenes, try fix malfunctioning equipment while dealing pressure investors breathing down, neck demanding results fast. With time running out, will our unlikely heroes prevail? So I would say or will they remain trapped forever inside wrong bodies? Watch It's What's Inside, available now, streaming on Netflix. Find answers to these questions yourself. Now, let me leave you with this little joke-related subject matter. Why Ruben, It's What's Inside has an interesting take on body swapping, where not only do people switch minds, but also their financial situations come along with them, explains financial expert Alex Thomas. In this final swap scenario, he continues, Forbes becomes richer by inheriting Ruben wealth, while Dennis becomes poorer since he now possesses only $788. Additionally, Maya experiences an increase in wealth since she now controls Brooke assets, whereas Nikki becomes poorer due to taking on Shelby financial struggles. Overall, this adds another layer of complexity to an already intriguing plot. This section is purely fictional, as there are no actual financial implications shown or discussed in It's What's Inside. In conclusion, It's What's Inside is an enthralling exploration of identity, perception, and personal growth. By examining how each character adapts to their new circumstances, the film challenges us to question our own assumptions about ourselves and others. Based on the show, It's Sis.
What's Inside? There is no explicit evidence suggesting that Shelby has a crush on Forbes throughout the series.
However, during the course of events, Shelby may develop certain feelings towards Forbes due to particular situations they shared together while trapped in someone else's bodies. Nevertheless, these feelings might not necessarily be romantic or sexual in nature, but rather based in gratitude and companionship formed under challenging circumstances. Ultimately, the show does not provide enough information to definitively conclude whether or not Shelby's has a crush on her best character. Thus, any assumption would be purely speculative without further information or context provided within the show itself. And that's the ending of It's What's Inside presents an open interpretation regarding perception versus reality through its ambiguous conclusion, an appropriate approach, subjective interpretations based on individual perspectives throughout its narrative, application / Lod plus JSON. The double and there's a secret that it would be in stat. As you see, it would be similar in my case to feel that you would need different works. The movie explores the idea that people are not always what they seem on the outside, and life has intricate layers which are shaped by one's perspective. The ending of It's What's Inside sets up a sequel with Beatrice as the main character who seeks justice against deceitful men and carries out heinous acts inspired by her painful past, similar to John Kramer from Saw series. The article includes images from the movie and emphasizes key points in bold text for emphasis.